Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. So today I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to be doing an acrylic pour. I am going to be using some paints that I discovered on Michaels.com. It's called Drizzled. It's a folk art paint. I've used folk art paint before, but not this particular brand or collection. It's called the Spin, Drip, and Pour. These are ready-made or ready-to-pour acrylic paints that you can pour right from the bottle. Um, you can pour, you can spin it, you can splatter it, you can drip it. That's what it says on the back of the box, and right onto your on your canvas. Yeah, it's a cool line, and it says that these paints are formulated to where you know how when you do your acrylic pours and sometimes your paints get really muddy. This particular line is supposed to prevent that. I also picked up a 4-pack of these what they call Galaxy colors. So I'm not going to try those today. I'm going to do this in another video because I'm really interested in seeing how these colors look. And then I got the blues, the different blues, turquoise, the dark blue, and the white that's in there. They also have a line of pour cups. I thought, wow, that's really cool. So I got two. I got this right here with the 3 openings for 3 different colors of paints. And then I got this one here. Yeah, this is all from their Drizzle. I'm sorry, I said Dazzle, but Drizzle collection from Folkart. Very interesting, and you can't find it anywhere. They say that it's exclusive to Michaels only. So, and here's another set. I picked these up. You just put them on your canvas, and it comes in a pack of 3 different sizes. Just kind of plop it anywhere on your board or your canvas, and just pour it right into that opening. So yeah, I haven't tried those either. So I'm really excited on using these. I may use these next in my next video because I want to try them out. Really cool. Comes in a pack of 3. Now they also have larger bottles, other colors. So check them out if you're interested. But I'm going to be using, oh, I forgot. They have a spinning thing. What do you call it? A spinner. Never used a spinner in my life since I've been doing my acrylic pours. Never used it, so I figured, you know what? It's part of the line. I'll just go ahead and pick up one as well. So I ordered these all online. I didn't go to Michael's to get it. I don't even know if they're in the store or not. But yeah, I picked that up. I did all that online. So the colors I'm going to be using are the silver. It's the Silver Bank, the Heart of Gold, and the New Penny, all the metallics, with a black background. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will pop in near the end. Okay, so here it is, and oh my God, look at that. It reminds me of either a big puffy cloud or a big puffy smoke in the night sky. It's so, so pretty. And it looks really textured. And it's not. It has a smooth touch to it. The colors didn't mud up. The black paint made some of the silver a little dark, but that's fine. It adds to the effect of this painting. I really like the effects this paint give. Let me know what you. Oh, this part right here, my absolute favorite. It just looks like you can just fall into that little deep dark hole there. Really pretty. Let me know if what you think about this painting for starters, and if you're going to give this painting a try. This paint a try. I'm so excited I can't even talk. But let me know what you think, how this turned out in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my videos coming up. I'm going to try the other colors of paint really soon. So I look forward to that. And I hope that you're here to watch. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.